Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about fake accent. One accent is which we are speaking according to our national language. One accent is which we adopt of exotic. When we talk about English language, there are some people who speak English, non-native English speakers who speak English in their national accent. But there are some people who try to copy the accent of others, such as British accent or American accent or accent of any other country. So when we copy the accent of British or American in the beginning when we are learning English language, I think that this is not good for us. This impact is not good for us. We put a pressure on our mouth, on our mind to copy the accent. We make the styles while speaking the English language. But when we speak in our own accent, such as I am speaking in my own national accent, I am not putting any kind of pressure on my mind. I am randomly speaking with you in English language. Although your accent might be different, some other people accent might be different, but when I will speak in smooth and slow way, you are able to understand whatever I am saying. Otherwise, if I copy the accent of other nationalities, then I think that you will face problem while understanding whatever I am saying. Such as if I try to make styles, hello, who are you, what are you doing, and what's your name, and which country you are belong to. Perhaps someone is understanding, but mostly people will face problem while understanding our accent, because we will copy the accents of other nationalities according to our accent. When we will mix our accent with other accent, then it will be absurd, and other people will face a problem while understanding our English language. So this is my suggestions for those who are non-native English speakers and you are beginner in English learning. Learn English language, it is necessary. You know that English is global language and you cannot ignore its global importance. But try to speak English language in your own natural accent. Whatever accent your natural accent is, don't try to copy others. When you will try to copy others, I think that this will be not good for you, and soon you will quit English learning, because you will feel exhausted and a kind of tension. In this way, I think that your interest will lose and you will quit. So if you want to learn English language, if you want to improve yourself in English language, then I think that speak natural way. Speak whatever your accent is, the natural accent. In this way, I think that you will improve yourself and you will not feel exhausted. Hope you find this video useful. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. There are a lot of videos uploaded on this channel. We have made the playlist. You can check our playlist and you can find the videos of your interest. Allow me right now, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.